When it comes to heavy machinery, time is money. One machine down can bring the job site to a standstill. On common repairs, there's no need to wait. Sometimes it makes sense to do your own repairs and maintenance. That's why CAT Self-Service Options offer integrated custom solutions packaged with everything you need to do the work yourself. Self-service options are offered for a wide range of machine families and models to meet your needs. Discover the reliability of using genuine CAT parts, backed by our standard CAT warranty. The expertise of recommended tooling with option to purchase. The convenience of online ordering, dealer pickup, or delivery to site with simple-to-follow service instructions packaged with each part. The confidence of technical know-how direct from dealer experts. The peace of mind self-service options bring make it easy to repair from start to finish with everything you need in one convenient package. Whether you have one machine or 100, you have an expert partner to help you take on common repairs yourself. Your CAT dealer can get you started, or go to parts.cat.com for more CAT self-service options.